Friends, Stealth Gunner 556 here. Today I'm gonna make another aim review. My 5th or 6th or something. My friend just texted me. Anyway, so this review is, like I said in my last video, will be Hornady's low recoil ammunition. I don't know for sure what it's called. They don't have the box. Light recoil? I don't know, something like that. Anyway, this stuff is a hunting round. It's soft nose or whatever. Yeah. So it like mushrooms out and stuff. Okay, so it's if you guys are interested. If you guys are sensitive, recoil sensitive, then you guys should recommend this. I'll recommend a lot of things, but this, even for me, it kicks, because, I'm like 12 and I'm skinny, and only shot 5 shots before I was done. That, and, I'm really noise sensitive, but this stuff wasn't that loud. But the guns around me, this guy had like a big rifle. It looked like a 308 or something. It's like a big one. And he had a muzzle brake, which made it even louder. So I wanted to get it out of there as fast as I could. That's why most of these targets I shot were inaccurate. Because I just wanted to hurry up and then hold my earmuffs tight. Yeah, I'm a wuss. Anyway, okay, so the small hits are 22 hits, and the big ones are 30-30. That, and there was no scope on it. There was no scope on it, so this is like an old gun, like old lever action. Anyway, so there's 1 hit, 2 hit, and then on the longer one, I shot 3 hit and 4 hit. I don't know where the other one is. Yeah, I completely missed it. Here, let me just recount. 1, 2, let's see if there's anything else on this paper. 3, 4. Okay, looks like I only hit 4 on the paper. I don't see it anywhere. Yeah, I guess. Oh, okay. It doesn't matter. Anyway. So, this stuff is for recoil sensitive people. Or if you just don't like their recoil at all. Or it's like for young hunters who can't handle anything else. Kind of like me. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, check out Thunder Mountain Tactical. They're pretty. I watch more of the videos. They're pretty cool videos. And then tell them I sent you if you happen to watch this. And my next video, I might double upload, because I might think of some more ideas. Oh yeah, I think I'm going to do a binocular review, because I have 2 pairs of binoculars. Yeah, I'm going to do binocular review next. So, tune in for that, and, well, catch you guys later.